Today, we'll show you how to upload log files from your DJI Agras T40 or similar drone. Power on your controller and the aircraft. Be sure the two are paired. Connect the controller to a Wi-Fi source if you plan to upload your logs directly after transfer. On the controller screen, tap the log icon. Select General Issues unless instructed otherwise. Choose the log for the incident you are reporting and the 2 previous dates. You may upload the log directly or save to local for upload at a later time. We have selected the latter option for this video. Please note we only selected one log for the video. If you uploaded your logs directly, a QR code will display once complete. Please take a clear picture of this image and include it with your report to Best Way Ag. If you selected the Save to Local option, when you are ready to upload, please return to the log menu and select Saved to Local. Ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi and select the file you generated. Tap Upload Log. Once complete, a QR code will be displayed on your screen. Take a clear photo of this image and include it with your report to Best Way Ag.